Hello, that is the feeling of today's tone, the falling tone, Thanh Huyền. It is the last tone and it's a very relaxing. Let's finish the system. Look at the symbol. It goes down smoothly, not fast like heavy tone. It is slow like a feather falling. Or when you say in English, mm, no, with low voice. Or oh well. Practice in Vietnamese. À, à, a. Soft and low. Bà mean grandma. Nhà mean house. Gà mean chicken. Don't push, just relax your voice. Be careful, many students mix up flat and falling. Flat like a robot, pitch stay high. Ma and falling like a sigh, pitch goes down. Mà. Listen. Number one. Ba. Bà. Ba mean dad. Bà mean grandma. Number two. Ca. Cà. Ca mean sing. Cà mean eggplant. Thu. Thù. Thu mean autumn. Thù mean enemy. Congratulations, you learned all six tones. Let's put them together using one word, mà. Repeat after me. Focus on the melody. Ma, má, mà, mã, mã, mạ. Ma mean ghost with flat or no mark. Má, mom with uptone. Mà mean butt with downtone. Mã mean thumb. Mã mean coat. Mạ mean right ceiling. One more time. Ma, má, mà, mã, mã, mạ. Pop quiz. I say a word. You tell me which tone. 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready? Gà. Going down softly. That is Huyền. Tone 6. Net. Chó. Going up fast. That is Sắc. Tone 2. And last one. Lạ. Heavy rub. That's a nặng. Tone 5. You have the keys now. But knowing is not enough. You must practice, and this is your homework. Record the Ma series with 6 tones. Book your one-on-one coaching session now. In the coaching session, I will check your 6 tones personally. Do it now. Hẹn gặp lại bạn trong buổi coaching. Link đăng ký bên dưới. the link subscribe below. Tạm biệt.